Hi friends, it's Barry. Let's think about how much of this equilateral triangle is shaded. So this equilateral triangle is made of 9 smaller equilateral triangles and with 2 additional lines here. So these are the 2 lines. So how can we find out the fraction that it is shaded? So the way I approached this was to assign some lengths to the diagram. So let's say that for one triangle, the base is B and the height is H, okay? So we have the height and the base. So for one small equilateral triangle, the area must be half times base times height. So half BH. So we can try and think about the shaded areas, right? Now let's draw some lines here. So for this shaded triangle, which is a bit slanted, the base is B and B, okay? The base is the sum of 2 smaller bases. And what about the height? Well, the height is also just H, right? So the triangle, this one, has area half and then 2b, because that's the new base, times height, right? So that is just BH. Well, what is BH? BH is just 2 times half BH, which we find to be the area of one triangle. So here we have shown that this one slanted triangle actually it equals 2 of these smaller equilateral triangles. Now, as you can see, we can apply the exact same reasoning to the other one, to the other slanted triangle. Here we can just sort of flip it on the side and then we can do the same calculations. So once again, that also has 2 of those equilateral triangles. So because there are a total of 9 equilateral triangles, so the fraction would be 2 plus 2 divided by 9, and that is just 4 divided by 9. So that's it for this question. I'm eager to hear your thoughts about this, so please comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.